Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Art of Daily Living. And continuing with our series of learning new things, which is everlasting, it seems to be. Got a new rear blade for the tractor. Put it on yesterday. I didn't have a quick hitch, so it was a little difficult. But I got it on, took off the backhoe, which is sitting here. So I'd never done any of those things. I probably should have filmed that. But I didn't. So anyway, I've got the rear blade on, and we're going to go plow some snow because we've gotten 2 or 3 inches of snow. Not a whole lot coming from Green Bay, but a little something to do. So let's have at it.
think I'll go back where I came from, where everybody knows my name. My friends are still the same. I guess the slow life hit me just right, like a bonfire on a cold night. Hell, and you can keep your 9 to 5. Happy with the simple life. Yeah, I ain't here to try to change your mind, trying to save your time, in case you're thinking about breaking out the bucket list. Girl, you can skip this funny business, 'cause up there it's complicated and overrated. Down here everything is understated. That's alright by me. I got everything that I need, but there is breakneck, paycheck, rat race. What's next? I'm tired of feeling like a small fish in a big pond. I think I'll go back where I came from, where everybody knows my name. All my friends are still the same. I guess the slow life hit me just right, like a bonfire on a cold night. Yeah, you can keep your 9 to 5, 'cause I'm happy with the simple life. Tired of feeling like a small fish in a big pond. I think I'll go back where I came from, where everybody knew my name, and all my friends are still the same. I guess the slow life hit me just right, like a bonfire on a cold night. Hell, you can keep your 9 to 5, 'cause I'm happy with the simple life. Oh,